Hello kids. Today we are going to learn animals and their homes. Dog,
Lives in a kennel. Cat. Basket. A cat lives in a basket. Birds. Nest. Birds live in a nest. Ants. Anthill. Ants live in an anthill. Crocodile. Pond. A crocodile lives in a pond. Bees. Beehive. Bees live in a beehive. Walrus. Ice. A walrus lives on ice. Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what are their homes called? Horse. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Owl. Tree. An owl lives in a tree. Pig. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Elephant. Jungle. An elephant lives in a jungle. Fish. Water. A fish lives in water. Penguin. Ice. A penguin lives on ice. Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what are their homes called? Lion. Den. A lion lives in a den. Mouse. Hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Monkey. Tree. A monkey lives in a tree. Frog. Pond. A frog lives in a pond. Snake. Tree. A snake lives in a tree. Seal. Ice. A seal lives on ice. Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what are their homes called? Squirrel. Tree. A squirrel lives in a tree. Rabbit. Burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Sheep. Pen. Sheep live in a pen. Duck. Pond. Ducks live in a pond. Spider. Web. A spider lives in a web. Polar bear. Ice. A polar bear lives on ice.